formulas which we are going to write, only the use, if you remember, that is enough. Because as soon as you type some ifs, at bottom there will be recommendation. First thing this you have to select. First another thing this you have to select. Okay, so you should only remember the use of that. Everything else is present there itself. Who is sharing the screen? Type the formula. Not there, in another cell. Are you typing? Why? Haven't you revised at home? Yesterday? Yesterday at room, have you opened the laptop or not? Open. What you have done? Previous classes you revise. Okay, write the function for normal sum. Whole total I want. Now sum if. Okay, just click here, empty cell. Above, corresponding to this, yes. Type here equal to sum if, round bracket. So, what is the first thing you'll select? Anybody? First thing you'll select designation. Okay, this whole designation column, right? Okay. Select that whole column, designation column. Selected. Now you have to make it fix. How to make it fix? F4. F4. After giving comma, F4 won't work. अरे ना, comma हटाओ. Remove the comma. Now type F4. Click, not type. Click F4. फंक्शन F4 की होता है एक कीबोर्ड पे, उसको प्रेस करना है. Now this dollar came, right? Dollar only came for this last two. I want for all. Again do the same, F4. Not working. Remove this whole thing. Now just select the range. इससे पहले जो किया था वही सेलेक्ट करना है फिर से. Selected. Now as soon as you selected, you can give F4, whole range will get fixed. Press F4 now. Now see what is happening. Don't look at me. See there what is happening. Whole I4 to I20 got fixed or not? How you are understanding that it is fixed? You can see dollar there to the whole range from I4 to I20. Previously, what you did, you give comma, then you removed comma, then again you pressed F4. That's why only it was selecting the ending range, that is I20. It was fixing it by the F4. Now give comma. Now what is your criteria? You want manager. Wherever there is manager, you want to add that. So this manager is going on the next row becoming clerk going on the next row becoming peon. So you want to move row wise, you don't want to move column wise. So column you will make it fix. So in front of L, press dollar symbol, that is on, where is dollar, 4, shift 4, remove dollar for the 7. Now here only column is fixed, row is not fixed. Row will go downside. Yes. Now give comma. What is your sum range? Select. Now F4. And round bracket close, enter. Got the number? Now double click at the corner. Yes. Getting values? Understood what is happening? Stop sharing. So don't take this Excel lightly. It is easy, but only when you are keep doing it. If you give a gap, you'll forget it. So this we have revised yesterday's. Now we'll go for sum if. Have you all created this table yesterday? I told you. While coming, please create this table and come. Have you created? Yes. Why? Create it. Those who are done with that, you just have to create this much table. Yes. Just create this kind of table, everybody. First, only this much. How many of you are done? What about others? Have you got this data or not? Created this? Have you created this table? Anybody wants me to do? I have to just manually type everything. That's it. See, transaction. This transaction spelling is correct, right? Yes or no? Transaction type. Okay. This debit, this credit, this online cash, debit, debit card. Select this and fill the color. Select this also, fill the color. And you can take all borders. This also you can say all borders. Done everyone? Now, sum if here there was only one condition. Manager is there, add. But here we have multiple condition, that is if online and debit both are there, then add. See, online debit, online debit. This is online credit. Yes or no? This is online credit. So I want wherever online debit is there, I want to sum. So 5,000 plus 4,500. How much it is? 9,500. Sum if sum ifs multiple if condition. Sum range. So this is my sum range. It should be fixed. Otherwise it will go down, go to another column, another row. So fixed. F4. Criteria range. Now there can be multiple criteria. My first criteria is it should be online. So this is my first criteria. Criteria range. It should be fixed. F4. Criteria range is fixed. And what is my criteria here? This is criteria range and this is my criteria. Getting it, everybody? From this all, I will check wherever online is there. Now see, online, next row it will become cash. Next row it will become debit card. So row I should keep it unfixed. Column I should keep it fixed. I should not become J. It should not move to another column. Yes or no? Now, what I'll fix? I'll fix I. So I should be in only this column. It should not move to another column, that is J. Because see, when I double clicked to make fill it down, so this data was going down, right? So when I will double click here in the credit card, debit, credit, see debit will move to credit card. J will become K. Yes. So this data might become another side, another column. So that's why I have to think and fix it properly. Getting it? I cannot use here F4 because everything will become fixed. Now my row will not move downside. Yes or no? So I am only fixing column. Comma. Criteria range 2. That is this. I'll check debit or credit. So this should be fixed totally. F4. Then criteria 2. Criteria 2. I'll check here debit. Criteria range 2, criteria 2. Criteria range, what it is doing? Showing me all this column in from where I'm going to check my criteria. Criteria range, I will check my criteria in that. Yes. So this is criteria here. This debit will become credit when I will take it to another column. Yes or no? So what to fix now? But when I click here, double click, so as online will become cash, cash will become debit card. So this debit will come on the next row, right? So row I should fix it because it should not go on the next row. It should go on next column, but not next row. So here what I will fix? I'll fix row because debit becoming credit, J becoming K. So I should allow this J to become K. But I should not allow this 5 to become 6. Yes or no? Here online becoming cash debit card. So here I5 becoming I6. I will allow it. It is becoming I7. I will allow it because it is moving row wise. This is moving column wise. I don't want it to go on the next row. Debit, because our criteria range will get changed if it is going on the next row. It should be on the same row. Getting it, everybody? Now my formula is done. Round bracket close, enter. So when I'm double clicking here, so this getting filled down. For this properly filling down, I keep the row unfixed. Now to here, for this I made column unfixed. Otherwise, if I make column fixed, this J would not become K. My answer would be 0 only. Now see, debit card, will debit card give you credit? No, right? There is no combination. Debit card, debit only. Debit card, debit. Debit card, debit. Yes? So there is no combination debit card, credit. So that's why summation is 0. Getting it, everybody? Just do it. Done. Do it once again. Equal to sum if tab sum range, fix it, comma criteria range, fix it, comma criteria, this is my criteria, this is moving row wise, so row I am not fixing, I am fixing only column, comma criteria 2, fix it, comma sorry, criteria range it was, and then criteria 2 debit. Here J is becoming K, it's moving column wise, so row I don't want to move, so fixing only row, not the column. Enter. You can take it like this, it will fill, then you can take whole together down. How many of you are able to do it? How many of you are unable to do it? Help her. Huh? Which formula? Just now I told, na? You want to see the formula? Okay. Now see this D5 to D16. It's green color, right? So see, this is green color selection. You can understand. E5 to E16. Blue color. This is blue color. C5 to C16. This is red color. I13. This one. Violet. This, which color it is? I don't know. Last one. J12. This one. So you have to press function and then press F4. Directly press F4. Can you go for next? Should I wait few more minutes? So today you didn't on the fan. Hmm? Today you didn't want fan. Guys, how much time? Do it fast. The time up. We'll go for next. Take the same table on another sheet. Copy paste the same table on another sheet. Make this two tables. Count if sheet name will give count if. Take the same table on another sheet. Create this two small tables. Make it debit slash credit. This is number of debit credit transaction. This is transaction type, number of transaction. Separate we are counting. Created equal to count if tab range. Okay, this is my range. So first what I'm going to count, okay, this one. I'm going to count transaction type, comma criteria, this. Now if I go directly, what will happen? Things will get shifted and answer won't be correct. So in this case it is correct, but you can see the selected range is getting shifted downside. Yes. Now about to online cash. See debit card. Now which are left above, in that debit card is not there, right? That's why answer is coming correct. If here debit card would be there, then it would be 3 here, right? Yes or no? So the answer would be wrong. That's why we have to select. We are making the range fix every time due to this reason. In this case, the answer is correct. Getting what I'm saying? Why we are fixing it? So I'll put here. I'll say now I'll select this. Click F4. Range is getting fixed. Now here I want to move row wise. Column wise I don't want to move. So I'll put hash on the column. Now I'll double click. Now see my range is properly fixed at one place. Do for this debit credit. Range criteria, range should be fixed. Comma, here I want to fix column. That's it. Enter. How many debit are there? 7. Credit are 5. How many of you are done with this? Do this fast. Anybody wants to see the formula? Better do it yourself. Still, if you're having any confusion, you can see. Done? Tataji? Done? Then what you are doing? Huh? Or you are doing something else? Huh? Show me. Give your laptop. So it's not done. 4 4 is done. Next one 7 5 you are doing. This one. Huh? Not understanding. It's not visible. So when you will say that, I'll zoom it for you. Now is it visible? So you are typing same as it is. Is it? As it is this cell reference you are typing? Huh? Understanding and typing, right? Because my cell address is different. Your address is different. Okay. So we'll go for next. Count ifs. You have made the sum ifs, right? Copy that sum if table. This you have created. Yes or no? Copy this table, paste it on the next sheet. This same data, copy paste. Same table also copy paste. Just remove the values. What? Your friend is not telling you? Okay. See, in the spelling you have extra space. Remove the extra space, answer will come. In that debit where you want the answer, before the zero, the debit spelling, extra space you are having. Coming? Next sheet, name it as count ifs, copy the data, copy the table which you created earlier, Same, sum ifs, that sum is doing the summation, count ifs is counting, yes or no? So how many online debit is there? 1 2. Online debit, how many are there? 1 2. Online credit, 1 2. Online credit also 1 2. So let's type the formula, equal to count ifs criteria range. See, now some range will not be there in this because we are not doing the addition, yes or no? We are just counting. So what will be there? Criteria range. So first criteria is online, making it fixed, comma, criteria is this, it should move row wise, so column I'm making it fixed. Then comma, criteria range 2, making it fixed, comma, debit k should become L, yes or no? Column k should become L, should move column wise, row wise it should not move, yes. So what I'll be fixing, k or 7? What I should fix? K 7. Round bracket close, enter 2. Now you can hold this, drag it, hold this, drag it down. Do it, everybody. See, for those who are getting it hard, don't use this drag and drop feature. Okay, for each cell you type the formula, so that you will be typing this formula 6 times, it will be rectified to you. Okay, those who are getting it hard, they can do this practice at home. Haven't you understood some ifs ifs? Understood, right? So why are you not understanding this? Similar formula, equal to count ifs, count ifs tab. Okay, criteria range, this is my criteria range, I want to make it fixed, f4, comma, criteria 1, online, this will move row wise, yes or no? This, what it is, j15 will become j16, j17. So I will make it, I will make j fix, what I'll do, j fix, then criteria range 2, selecting this, making it fix, comma, criteria 2, debit card, k, how much it is, k15, no, k14 it is, k14 will become l14, yes or no? This will go here, so I don't want to, so this k14, 14 I should make it fix, k will become l, so I want him to allow to change the column, so column I will not fix, I will fix the row, so 14 is fixed, round bracket close, enter. Now I want you to type this once again, like this. Don't use this feature drag and drop. So if you type this 6 times, you'll never forget it. Count ifs, criteria range, fix it, online, column fix, criteria 2, criteria range 2, fix it, comma. Here I want K14 to fix. No, here this one it is right. Second column. Should be L14. 14 should be fixed. Getting it, everybody? Say yes. So, meanwhile, others are doing. I want those who are done. Try this, copy and paste in your Excel file. I am putting it. Just check whether it is copy pasting or not. Let me know if it is not. Is it working? As it is? Yes? So it's working, right? Show me your laptop. Yes. Very good. Yes. Okay. Everybody, then it's working. No need to share it on WhatsApp or something. Taken? Huh? Hmm. एप्पल का हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ रहता है, सीधा सीधा काम नहीं करता है एप्पल. ठीक है. Somebody share that file, Excel file in the group. Boys, have you copy pasted that data from Skype? भाई copy paste. I'm sharing this. Who is Tushar? Tushar, have you joined the link?
Yes, sir, I am joined.
Where I saved that file? Got the file? Yes. Now see, when you copy this, everybody, and paste, okay, so this will paste it like this. So here you can go, let me see, format, auto fit, row height. No, no, auto fit column width. This F is a single letter, right? So for that, a big space is given for that, right? So auto fit column width, that is getting whatever it is required, that much. Auto fit column width. Do it, everyone. Done. You copy pasted, it is pasted like this, right? Press Alt. See, it's telling you shortcut. Alt H U, no, O I, auto fit column width. Done, everyone? Create this booked pending. Now see, here I am writing M, enter. See, all the values are changing. Booked, pending, number of males, number of females. So for booked, use formula count A. For pending, count blank. For male or female, just now we have learned, that is count if. Okay, please do it. Count A, count blank, count if. This three formula. Those who are unable to look at the screen, equal to count A. Count the number of cells in the range that are not empty. Yes, count it. Tab. This is my range. Okay, round bracket close. Enter. 139. then equal to count blank. What it will do? Count blank in that range. Round bracket close. Enter. 108 are blank. Now male or female equal to count if tab. This is my range. Comma criteria is M for male. How many? 68. Female equal to count if range comma criteria F bracket close. Enter. Do it fast. Those who are done, they can leave for today. Tomorrow there will be holiday. So don't plan to go to native. Only one day holiday. Those who are nearby, they can go and come quickly. 2 hours. Done. Pack up for today. I'll stop recording.